How to stabilize videos in InShot. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can stabilize videos in InShot. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your InShot app and then you have to choose this video option and choose the video project that you want to work on from your gallery. So here I have chosen this video over here, and if I play this video over here, you'll be able to see it's a bit shaky. So to stabilize it on InShot, you simply have to just select the video and then you have to find the speed option in this menu. Just keep scrolling until you find the speed option, and once you find the speed option, you have to just pause and select that option. So select this track over here and then you have to find the speed option out of all these. Here it is. This is the speed option. Just select it. And then you can see this is the standard speed over here, and you can select the standard speed if you want. And then you have to click the smooth option. It's only available when your speed is 1x. So you have to just click smooth or slow-mo over here if you want. If it's a slow-mo video, you can click smooth and just decrease the speed to 0.97. Or else the second method to stabilize your video in InShot is you head over to this curve option over here and choose the curve as you want it to be. Like if you want it to be preset, you can select the preset option, and here you can go with any option that you like, or you can just stretch these knots over here and stabilize the video according to your needs. And that's how you stabilize a video on InShot. And then once you're done, you simply have to click this tick over here, and then it's going to process your video, and then you can download the video, and that's how you stabilize a video in InShot.